touch you. Full elevator, Kyle. Don't be an idiot. Yeah. Pull gently. Oh, yes. Look at that, guys. Okay, guys, we are here with the F22 version 2. 13 degrees again. I am absolutely out of my mind doing this, but I got to get this flight in for you guys because it's going to be no different from this. The wind is blowing in a bad direction right now because I'm going to have to walk out to the middle with my hands freezing. So I'm going to do this really quickly, and then I will talk more when this thing flies, or after it flies. I just got to get this thing launched up before my hands completely freeze. This is probably not a good idea because I have to launch it right into the tree. All right, ready? Fantastic. Wow. Whoa. Holy roll. Oh, canopy. Canopy blew off. I see it. Well, it flies awesome without the canopy. Very cool, guys. F22 Cobra. Flip it over the top. So awesome. It's a little unstable without the canopy because it's got a little bit of turbulence, but flies fantastic. This thing is getting tossed around in 20-mile-an-hour winds right now without the canopy, and it flies so stable. Look at this. Look at that, guys. Wow. Whoa, this is awesome. I may change the servo location so that it's pulling the servo rod instead of pushing it. This F22 is so good, so good. Such a solid plane. I absolutely love it. Okay, my hands are so cold. I'm gonna bring it in. Don't pull full elevator, Kyle. Don't be an idiot. Yes, sir. All right, I see the canopy over there. I'm gonna cut this flight. My landing skid bumpers on the belly worked perfect for the full flying tails. That's so cool. This thing is awesome. The files will be released for sure.